average calories by pizza in our chart, right? So this is my chart, one table. So what I will do, I will just take one pie chart, and in this pie chart I will take type as a legend and average calories in the values, right? I will take it as average. Now if you see here, I have three categories, right? And now I will add one more donut chart, and then instead of type, now I will add pizza, right? And then the average calories in the values, right? Now the question is, if I wanted to get the percentage or something, whatever is in classic, so if I click on classic, then it should get filtered out here. So for example, I click on classic, you can see it's not overall filtering, it's just highlighting all the stuff, right? What I want if I click here, then it should give me the data for that only, not for others, right? So if you see, if I clicking on any other, right, if you see, if I click here, then it's just giving all these are the values present here, but on the chart I can see the other values here. So for this, what you can do, in the ribbon here, you can go on drill, right? Not on drill, but you can go on which this format function, right? Format ribbon, and you can click on edit instruction. After clicking on edit instructions, you click on this chart, and you see here there are two icons here. One is this highlight the values, and one is this filter the values. So what it does for filter, if I just click on filter, and if I select any other value here, if I just click here, for example, now if I click on classic, you see now the categories are little bit less. So if I click on this Legera, so you can see there are only 4 categories, right? But in the second option, if I click on second option, which is this highlight, if I click on any of these now, it will just highlight that part, and other it will show, but it will give me a faded part of that. So here Lagera is there. So for best, if you wanted to add any visual like pie chart or donut chart, and if you wanted to show only the values of that, not the other values, if you wanted the filtered value, not the highlighted values, so you can take this. So after clicking on edit instructions, you can just click on this filter function, and whatever function now you click here, like classic or like Lagera, then all these 4 values will appear here. So this is how you can use the edit instruction in this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.